Hello everyone. Welcome to Advocate Bapusaheb Bhonde High School. My name is Mrs. Pranjal Dev. I am a class teacher of LKG. Today I am going to teach you subject English and today's topic is letter tracing. Children, do you remember last time we played one game making letters with using sticks? Today we will play same game. But last time we used standing line and sleeping line. But today we will use slanting lines. Let's start. Children, first we will make letter A with the help of these sticks. First we will use this stick as a slanting line. We take one more stick and use as a slanting line. After that, we take this small stick and use as a sleeping line. So it looks like A. Now we will take one stick and use as a standing line. Then we will take two sticks and use as a slanting lines. So it looks like letter K. Now we will take two standing lines. Now we will take two slanting lines. Now it looks like letter M. Now we will take two standing lines and one slanting line. So it looks like letter N. Now we will take two slanting lines. Now it looks like letter V. Now we will take two standing lines and two slanting lines. Now it looks like letter W. Now we will take two slanting lines. Now it looks like letter X. Now we will take two slanting lines and one standing line. So it looks like letter Y. Now we will take two sleeping lines and one slanting line. So it looks like letter Z. So, did you like this game? Are you enjoying? Yes? Okay. Now, I will teach you how to trace these letters on the book. Let's start. First, we will trace slanting line. Again, one slanting line. Then one sleeping line. This is a letter A. Let's see again. Slanting line, again one slanting line and sleeping line. This is a letter A. First we will trace one standing line. Then two slanting lines. This is a letter K. Let's see again. Standing line, slanting line, again one slanting line. This is a letter K. Now we will trace letter M. First, standing line. After that, one slanting line. Again one slanting line. Then one standing line. This is a letter M. Let's see again. Standing line, slanting line, again one slanting line and standing line. This is a letter M. Now we will trace letter N. First standing line, then one slanting line, again one standing line. This is a letter N. Let's see again. Standing line, then slanting line, again one standing line. This is a letter N. Now we will trace letter W. First one slanting line, again one slanting line, one more slanting line and one more slanting line. This is a letter W. Let's see again. Slanting line, again slanting line, again slanting line, again slanting line. This is a letter W. We will trace letter V. First we will trace slanting line. Again one slanting line. This is a letter V. Let's see again. Slanting line. Again one slanting line. This is a letter V. Now we will trace letter X. One slanting line. Again one slanting line. This is a letter X. Let's see again. Slanting line. Again one slanting line. This is a letter X. Now we will trace letter Y. One slanting line. Again one slanting line. And now one standing line. This is a letter Y. Let's see again. Slanting line. Again one slanting line. And then standing line. This is a letter Y. We will trace letter Z. First we will trace one sleeping line. Then one slanting line. Again one sleeping line. This is a letter Z. Let's see again. One sleeping line, then slanting line, and then again sleeping line. This is a letter Z. Did you understood how to trace letters? Yes? Now you all practice at home. Stay home, stay safe, take care of yourself. Bye bye.